Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would remove your door lock actuator, which is this unit right here, where this is what locks the door. There's electronic in it. Sometimes it doesn't recognize that the door is closed or whatnot, and it'll set off your car alarm. Or when you hit the lock button, it may not lock the door because something has gone bad inside. So to remove the door lock actuator, it's kind of multifaceted. So we're going to remove this bolt, which that is the bottom bolt to the channel that your window goes up and down in. We've got to undo this electric connector, which you can just press and then unclip it. And once we remove that, then we've got 3 bolts to remove here, and we also need to remove the lock cylinder to be able to pull this whole thing out. And there's one rod inside there that we need to undo to be able to do that. So we'll start with by removing this cover. And then with that cover removed, we have one bolt that's right there. There. And that is it's a size 30 Torx. And then you'll loosen that. So once it's all loose, it won't come completely out. It has a stop point, but once it's loose, this whole lock cylinder will be able to be pulled out of the vehicle. And this is where that bolt goes into that holds this in. So we just removed this and pulled this out. And now we can go ahead and remove the rest, because this shaft here sticks into that lock cylinder, or into the door lock actuator. So with the door open, we're going to remove this bolt here. And what you're doing here, so once you remove that bolt, then you just reach in, and this one doesn't, we're just going to you just pull this, you can pull this out. There is still the rubber slide that's in there, but it's now flexible to move. And then inside here, there's going to be a picture of it, but there's a little clip to be removed that you pull, and then you're able to remove this connector. There's just a little orange clip here that you pop up, and then you pull this out, and then you can pull this up and out of the way. And with that, all that removed, and this electric removed, we undo these 3 bolts, and then we'll be able to remove this door lock actuator and these cables that go to it and control it. So with our T30, and now with those removed, you'll just reach in here, and you're going to push this through, and that's that electrical connector. So we push that through, and now we're able to just pull this whole door lock actuator unit out to be able to replace this if needs be. So that's how you remove your door lock actuator on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.